Hi friends, welcome to Zina's Kitchen. If you are watching my video for the first time, then please quickly press subscribe button and also click on the bell button to get notification on my new uploads. Today I am going to prepare stuffed green chilies and then blend it with white sauce. Stuffed chili is a treat for spice lovers. These stuffed chilies are made with potato and spice stuffing. This tangy and spicy thick potato stuffed green chili is very pleasing in taste. For stuffing, we will require 6 big size green chilies, 250 grams of potato boiled and smashed, 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder that is haldi, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder that is jeera, and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 100 grams of grated coconut that is approximately 1 cup, fresh coriander leaves finely chopped. For white sauce, we will require 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour that is Maida, shredded cheese, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder that is kali mirch, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 50 ml of milk. These are the total ingredients that we will require to prepare stuffed green chili in white sauce. The same is also given in the description column below so that you can note down while preparing in your kitchen. We first start preparing the stuffing. So we will require 250 grams of boiled and smashed potatoes, for which you add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder that is jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder that is haldi, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, fresh coriander leaves I washed and finely chopped it, and 1 cup approximately 100 grams of grated coconut, salt as per your taste. Now mix well. Here our stuffing is ready. Now keep it aside. Now take 6 green chilies big size and put a slit from the top in the center. The slit should be only on the surface. Now remove the seeds slowly from inside. So here rest of the chilies have done the same thing. Here our 6 chilies with the slit and the seeds out is ready. Now you can take little salt and rub from inside and outside properly. Okay. So here our chilies with salt is ready. Now do the stuffing. Take the ball of the stuffing and put it inside slowly. So this is how you have to do the stuffing. Your our stuffing of rest of the chilies are ready. So this is how it will look after you stuff it. Now in a non-stick pan, put little oil. Keep gas continuously on the medium flame. When oil is moderately hot, put the stuffed chilies one by one. Now cover it with lid for at least 1 minute so that the bottom side cooks properly. See, now you slowly flip it. Flip all the chilies. And you cook slowly from all the sides, flipping slowly. Even the sides you have to cook. So all 4 sides the chili has to be cooked properly. Now cover it with lid for at least 1 minute again. Now remove the lid. Now see how it is cooked from both the sides. Now slowly you cook from the sides. You can see it is cooked from all the sides. Now you can switch off the gas. Now remove in the plate. See, here our stuffed chilli is ready. So one part, the first step of the recipe is ready, that is stuffed chilli is ready. So you can have as it is if you want. And the other part is now you prepare the white sauce and serve it with the white sauce. Okay, so we start preparation for white sauce now. In a non-stick pan, put 2 tablespoons of butter. Keep gas on a lower flame now because we are preparing the white sauce. The color should not change. So keep gas continuously on the lower flame. Put 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, that is Maida. Put 50 ml of milk. Put little by little. The Maida, the all-purpose flour should not form into lumps. So put milk step by step, little by little. Now put the shredded cheese. This depends on the quantity that you like. If you want more cheesy, you can put more cheese. Now put 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Mix well. This nice yummy sauce is getting thicker now. Now put the stuffed chilies. Don't overcook chilies in this white sauce. Just put and cook for few minutes. Cover the lid. Keep gas on a lower flame now. Continuously my gas is on the lower flame. Here you have to take care that don't flip the chilies. Just put sauce over the chilies. Here our stuffed green chilies with white sauce is ready. You can serve this potato filled green chilies with chapatti, paratha or rice. You will really like it for sure.
So, thank you friends. I wish you try this recipe and reply how was it. If you like this recipe, then please like my video. Also, please subscribe my channel to support me and in order to get regular notifications. Friends, please share my video to all your near and dear ones and do request them to subscribe my channel. To subscribe, please don't forget to press subscribe button which is just below my video. Bye friends, see you next video.